Professor Rubik told me not to use it, but he sure does help me. Look at all these papers I've got to read. Head, are you here? Come on out. There he is. Can you help me today?
What can I do for you?
Can you help me?
Sure.
I just needed you to file these real quick. Here, I'll let you do your own little thing.
No problem.
Oh, you're already done?
No problem.
Thank you. That works.
Least I can do for you. Just take it there.
All check and file?
File.
Okay. Yes, Mother? Okay. All right, send him on up. Jerry's here. You remember Jerry, don't you?
Yeah, I did his homework yesterday.
Oh, he's a good guy. I wonder what's taking him so long.
I don't know. I hope he has some papers for me to grade.
Oh, hey, Jerry.
Hi, Rob. Hi, Head.
What's wrong, Jerry?
I don't know, I'm just feeling kind of lonely.
Would you like to borrow a head for a day?
Can I?
Yeah, you want to?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, he's going to borrow you for a while.
I have him back to you tomorrow.
Okay. It's the head. He's a heck of a guy. He's one of a kind. It's the head in a box. It's the head. He's a heck of a guy. He's a one of a kind. It's the head in a box. It's the head. The head that does work.